Good morning. My name is James Spiro, and this is the Roadshow Plus event brought to you by Calculist and Polim Tech. I'm joined now with Nadav Politi and Shavit Or, the co-founders and co-CEOs of Conext Global. Guys, thank you very much.
Thank you, James.
Cheers. Guys, I'm going to let you guys fight for the answers. So why don't I start by asking you both kind of why we're here today and what you folks are doing at Conext.
At Conext, we are developing a new technology that give the ability for its construction and concrete manufacturer to deliver its own mix designs, but for the lower cost and to reduce the CO2 emissions.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Shavit, I'm going to come to you now. If there's anything you want to add or anything about the industry that you want to share with us.
Yes, we are aiming one of the biggest industry in the world, the concrete industry. Every minute there is more than 1 million mixer trucks that are running on the road, and we help him then and the customer to know exactly what's happened in the mixer truck while they're going out from the plant on the way to the job site, and then no one know really happened in the mixer, and we are giving them the answer, the correct answer.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Nadav. I want to ask you, please, about the concrete industry and some of the impact that it has on the world. I've heard that concrete is a very, it's a material that needs revolutionizing. But perhaps maybe either one of you can speak more on that.
Yeah. So about the regular concrete manufacturing, you have to know how much to add from each raw material. And there is a challenge to know how much you need to add today because the raw materials are depends on external factors. So without new technology like Conext, you have to put much more safety factors, and you don't know what will be the accurate quality today. So Conext help with that, with real-time monitoring help you to make accurate loads. And also for global emissions, the concrete uses cement, and cement is responsible for more than 8% from the global CO2 emissions. And Conext help concrete factories to use cement much more accurate and also to add alternative materials that with Conext system you can do it.
Well, okay, thank you. You don't think of it as being such a factor for the environment, but thankfully for folks like you, we can all be enlightened. Shavit, can you share some of the insights maybe that you've heard today, or maybe some of the lessons that you've picked up from the event?
First of all, we understand that this is a very interesting issue because it's not only economic, it's not only financial, it's really got a direct influence on the environment. While we can make this industry much more accurate, we really can help them to reduce the cement, one of the most more influence and polluted of the CO2 to the environment. And while we are doing that, we're not all just helping them to be much more efficient, we're helping them to be much more green.
Okay, thank you. And what markets are you folks looking to enter right now? Or where
basically,
are you
our
right now?
client, our end user are the concrete plant and the company that produce concrete. And the best thing that this company have hundreds of thousands of trucks. So each client is a multi-client. And in that case, we approach not only to the Israeli market, but basically to the European, the American, the EU market.
Okay, wonderful. So hopefully the whole world can benefit eventually. Guys, I'm afraid that's all we have time for today. It was super interesting. I wish you folks the best of luck, and I hope to see you at Roadshow 2025, and we can see how you folks have gone on so far. Thank you.
Thank you very much, James.
Cheers, thanks.